Hi guys, let's see some more rules and some more example of active passive voice here. So we can see some more example for passive voice, and here you see that is do you not read this comics. So this is the tense interrogative sentence, and we have to recognize that which kind of sentence this. So you know student, do not is always occur in present indefinite tense, and I have told you when you convert present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense, so you convert the active voice into passive voice, so you have to take the next tense verb. So next tense, it means to say present indefinite, the next tense is present continuous. So we have to take here, first we see here object is this comics, and we have to take first this comics, and this comics is singular, and here you see present indefinite tense. So here before helping verb, so here do, and we have to write here according to the comics the verb that is singular, it will to say age this comics, and you have to write not, and here you converted at the place of object. So is this comics not, and the third form of given verb, third form is also read, and here before subject we have to add by, and after that the object of you, that is you. So we see that is this comics not read by you. So this is in the form of passive voice. Passive voice. This is in the form of passive voice. And second example we can take. This is the first example, and second as like as you, had you seen the boy, had you seen the boy. So we have to convert this into passive voice. So for converting passive voice, so students, you see that is had, it means to say present perfect. We have to take the helping verb present perfect continuous. So let me see, this is had, and here is object that boy. So first we write that boy, and because this is interrogative word, so we have to put the verb for passive voice here. So here present perfect, that next tense had been, so had that boy been, and third form that is seen by, and this is the in place of the boy by you. So had that boy been seen by you. So this is the example, and we can convert this type of sentence into passive voice. And now we talk about the sentence, imperative sentence, and imperative sentence, that is and you see imperative sentence, the basic form for passive voice, that is verb, and Delta dash. So this is the for active voice form, active voice form. And now for passive voice. So first we see let plus object. If object is not given, we have to write it and B plus third form of verb. So this is rules for passive voice. Here for imperative sentence. So we can write here the example for interrogative sentence, that do it. So students, I have told you the first condition where you have to convert the passive voice, active voice into passive voice. So first you should know about the verb and object. Here verb and object both are given. So passive voice can be made. So you have to use first let and object it we, and third form of do done. And here you see let it be done. Here subject is not given, so by plus subject is not come here. So let it be done. We can write here for converting into passive voice. And you see students, for passive voice generally please eat this food. So here we have to convert. So students, you see when please is come, so you have to remove it and write you are requested to eat this food. So you can convert for please, kindly, sir, ya madam. These types of word is given here. You have to add you are requested to, and after that the rest sentence you can add. So same this way you can convert active voice into passive voice for imperative sentence. Till then,